Ready to give your popcorn a spooky twist? Today, we're making colorful Halloween popcorn. Crispy, sweet, and the perfect addition to any occasion. First, divide 3 tablespoons of sugar into 3 small bowls and add a couple of drops of your favorite Halloween food coloring, orange, green, and purple. Mix until the sugar is sandy in texture. Now let's pop some popcorn. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of Dell Cove Spices mushroom popcorn kernels to your pan. Cover it up and get it popping over medium heat. Here comes the tricky part. When the kernels start to pop, quickly add 1 of the bowls of colored sugar, cover, and keep shaking that pan. You want to make sure the sugar melts evenly and doesn't burn. Keep it moving. Once the popping slows down, spread the popcorn out onto your baking sheet to prevent it from sticking together and let it cool. Repeat for each spooky color. Once it's cool, mix your colors together, tuck in for a scary movie, and enjoy a perfectly sweet Halloween treat. And there you have it. Sweet, spooky, and colorful Halloween popcorn. Happy haunting! For more recipes, popcorn tips, gourmet seasonings, and more, head to dellcovespices.com.